Hey, Julie Thomas here with the STR Visionary. And if you are hearing this video and you are waiting for that someday life that you would love to live to start, this is your sign that it actually starts with you taking action today. You will never get to the life that you want unless you take small, actionable steps every single day to getting to that life. My short-term rental side hustle did not happen without very small intentional steps leading me to the purchase of my very first property. I had to choose to take out a HELOC. I had to choose to go apply for an interest-free credit card so that we could afford furniture to put into that short-term rental. I had to go out and do the work to research what market we were going to invest in. I had to go find the right realtor. It's all of these small actionable steps that led us to our first property, which led us to our second and our third and our fourth. But my friend, here's what I love about short-term rentals is that you control your future. You get to decide what that looks like. For some people, that's 30 doors, 100 doors, property management companies. For us, personally, we will never go over 10 doors. Why is that? Because I want to control my future. I don't want my properties to control my future. I want my properties to fund my future. I don't want my properties to control my future. I want to be able to have time to pop out the door and go to my daughter's Valentine's Day party. The more properties that I bring in, the less control I have over my time because it just gets busy. It just becomes more and more responsibilities. And so what I love about the short-term rental journey is that it can be anything you want it to be. It can be one property. It can be you owning and managing. It can be you owning and somebody else property managing. It can be, I'm going to build out 30 doors through rental arbitrage, or it can be, I'm going to own 6 properties through the BRRRR method. You get to decide. There are so many different options, but if you're sitting here thinking, I am dreaming of this life that I would love to live, and I want to take these chances, and I want these things, it starts with action today. So drop in the comments one thing that you're going to try to do today, maybe tomorrow, but today, ideally, that is going to set the plan in motion for you getting the life that you dream of.